Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to go through extensions in VisualWorks Smalltalk. I've mentioned them in passing in a couple of other screencasts, and I thought it'd be worthwhile to go into them specifically to mention what they are. Briefly, let's say that I have a class, let's say number, and I wanted to add functionality to it, like cubed. In VisualWorks you already have messages like squared, you want to have cubed. If you were in a system where you had a different version control system, you might not be able to do what I'm going to do right now. But what I can do in VisualWorks is I can come into this package I've created here, Arithmetic Extras, and I can go to the class menu, new class extension. What this is going to do is allow me to extend an existing class and add the method that I'm extending to this other package. So even though I'm adding a method to a class, I'm going to pick number here, and it'll do the search for me. I am going to organize my specific extension into my own package instead of in some system package, which I would then have to publish a new version of. So I'll come over here to arithmetic and I'll add cubed and answer self times self times self. Hit Control S, and you can see that it is compiled into my package. So I now have a package, Arithmetic Extras, and you see the class is not bolded. That tells me the class is not defined here. If I were to go to the hierarchy, you notice that number is defined in this package, which is bolded, and this tells me all the various packages where there are extensions. So over here in Global BW port, over in printing, there's some kind of extension. In Tools ID list icons, there's some kind of extension here, probably on the class side, so there's a tool icon for that. That gives you this little number over here. That's where that's coming from. So you can see the way this works. You can extend an existing class, but in your own package, so that you don't have to worry about that code being organized in someone else's package. You can keep track of it separately, which, let me tell you from experience, when you're upgrading from one version of VisualWorks to another, having these organized in your own packages makes it a whole lot easier to track where things are and where they should be. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.